Oh, there you are, pretty birdie. Oh, you want to cluck again. Say, oh, he's going to yawn first. Okay. Beep, beep. What does that mean? Beep, beep. Are you going to meow like a kitty? What does a kitty cat? Oh, ha ha, that's an evil cackle. What does a kitty cat say? Meow. Meow. No, a kitty cat doesn't say ha ha. Silly bird. What does the kitty cat say? Meow. 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 No, that's not what the kitty cat says. Okay, what does the doggy say? Boo, boo, boo. What was that sound? That sounds like a kitty cat purring, yeah. It does. Kitty cat purrs? What does the kitty say? Meow. 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 Yeah, you got it now. The kitty cat says meow. Meow, meow. Woo, woo. Meow, wow. And meow. And then meow. You got a doggy and a kitty mixed together. Woof, 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 woof. And meow, 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 meow. Oh, stretch those wingies. Yeah, stretch. Oh, does that feel good? Huh? What's your name? Fortune? Can you say Fortune? Is that your name? Fortune? Fortune. Fortune. Maybe you don't know that's your name. I don't know. Oh, such a pretty bird. Uh-oh. You can fall asleep? Say, hello. Hello. Pretty bird. Woo. Pretty bird. Hello. Oh, is that what you have to say? Meow, wow, wow. Tell me some more of the things you know how to say. Wow, wow, I got you doing that, okay, but how about, yeah, they're a cough, I heard that. Very good. Good birdie. Oh, Polly wants a cracker. Oh, you keep stretching. Hello. Oh, what a good whistle. Oh, that's a good one too. Woo. Oh, what kind of a sound is that? Oh my. Oh, what's that? Can you say, what was that? Can you go? What does a ducky say? No, not a duck. A duck. Quack, 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 quack. No, quack, 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 quack. No, 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 row, row, row. What does a ducky say? Okay, how about a chicken? Or can you do that one? A rooster? Oh, you like the rooster? Your name is Pablo, huh? Hello, pretty bird. Hello, pretty bird. Wow, 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 wow. Pretty birdie. All right. You are definitely most pretty. And very talented. Oh, boy, keep stretching. Ay, ay, ay. Are you sleepy? You are. Can you sing a song? Can you say pretty bird? Pretty bird. Meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Say, what's your name? What's your name? Hi, sweetie. Hello, sweetie. Meow meow. Hi, sweetie. Meow wow wow, sweetie. Meow wow wow, sweetie. Meow wow 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 wow. You got some meow meow meow. Oh, the pretty bird. Oh, stretch. Meow wow. Okay, time to change your tune, baby. Meow. 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 Can you growl? Rawr. 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 You can't growl like that? Hmm? Can you count? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. Did you just say 4? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you think that's funny? You're laughing, huh? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi, Pablo. Hi, Pablo. It's a pretty bird. Say, I'm a pretty bird. Oh, it's such a pretty bird. Meow wow wow. Meow wow wow. Wee 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 wee.